Funk's revision rhinoplasty. Just wanted to kind of talk to you about my experience with him and his office going forward. Basically, my story is I had 2 rhinoplasties before I even met Dr. Funk. Sadly, those went not so well. My nose was still very crooked, very twisted as they call it, and I had to, after each year, try to find a new surgeon. And that third year, this, second revision, third rhinoplasty, my PCP, my ENT, recommended Dr. Funk highly. He was highly regarded around the area. Dr. Funk, I came in and met him. He was awesome. Kind of put me at ease with everything he was talking about. Took me through the computer system, kind of drew my nose out what he thought he could do, was very honest about what he thought he could do, and the expectations of a second revision rhinoplasty. And so while I was scared, he did do a very good job at, you call it bedside manner, of really easing my worry and my stress of this second revision. I felt very comfortable with him and his office going forward. His staff, they're awesome, so friendly, so kind. I can tell you the face was so much better, even just the dressings and the wrapping of my face after surgery was done so much, just in such a nicer and cleaner way. His professionalism and his technique, just based on the last person I had to deal with, just so much better, just at a higher level in general. So I'm now about 3 months out now, and so my nose is still straight perfectly. All the swelling's basically going down. I've been well for since probably the second or third week. Took all the dressings off and everything, and the swelling was very minimal. That happened. I had a wedding. I was getting married. June 8th. I had the surgery end of February. June 8th. I had a vacation I was going on. Got married June 11th, and my nose looked awesome. It's now June 27th. I had the wedding a couple weeks ago, and my nose looked awesome. I'm kind of just here to tell you that there is a second chance. There's a third chance even. It gets scarier as you go. But Dr. Funk is awesome at what he does. I would highly recommend him. I can't stress enough how great of a job he did, and how happy I am with the results of the surgery of Dr. Funk.